In the garage today, I'm going to install a universal fuel sending unit into a custom fuel tank on my 58 GMC. I'll start by measuring the depth of the fuel tank. That way I can figure out where exactly on the support arm I'm going to place the resistor housing. And here I end up with a depth of 90 inches. That's the tank plus 3/16 measured from the base of the sending unit. I end up with 4 13/16. Another 1 5/8 down is where I cut the end of the bracket. Here you can see I'm loosening some of the hardware. That way I can slip the resistor housing up and cut the support arm. I set the resistor housing to the appropriate depth, and next I'll cut the resistor housing wire to the appropriate length. I bent and cut the float arm based on dimensions on a chart found in the instructions. This correlated with my tank being 9 inches deep. A pair of wire crimpers worked out great for securing the float arm to the resistor housing. All that was left was to drop the sending unit in the tank, secure the screws, and then attach a wire. Overall, this process was pretty easy.